Join me as I dive deep into the cosmic mystery of what happens when a kilonova gets sucked into a black hole. A kilonova is already one of the most powerful events in the universe. But what if, after all that chaos, the explosion didn't stop? What if the merger of two neutron stars collapsed into something even darker, a black hole? Today, we explore one of the most mind-bending what-ifs in astrophysics. The universe is home to some of the most extreme events imaginable, and few are as fascinating as the kilonova and the black hole. A kilonova is an explosive event that occurs when two neutron stars collide, releasing an enormous amount of energy and matter into space. Black holes, on the other hand, are regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. The interaction between these two phenomena is a captivating topic that has left scientists and space enthusiasts alike wondering what would happen if a kilonova were to get sucked into a black hole. Kilonovas happen when neutron stars, crushed stellar remnants with unimaginable density, slam into each other. The collision produces an enormous burst of light, gravitational waves, and sprays the universe with heavy metals like gold and platinum. But the story doesn't always end with just an explosion. The truth is, there's still a lot of mystery surrounding this exact scenario. Scientists have observed kilonovas and black holes separately, but the specifics of what happens when they interact are still largely unknown. The extreme energies and densities involved make it a challenging problem to study. For instance, the gravity of a black hole warps space-time in extreme ways, and the explosion of a kilonova releases a massive amount of energy that could potentially affect the black hole as understanding this interaction could reveal new insights into the fundamental laws of physics. Sometimes, the combined mass of those neutron stars becomes so great that no force can hold it up. Instead of staying as a neutron-rich remnant, the object collapses instantly into a black hole. It's like the universe hitting the delete button. Light vanishes, matter falls inward, and only a dark singularity remains. The initial kilonova still releases insane amounts of energy. But when a black hole forms, much of that leftover material spirals inward at near-light speed. Jets of radiation can erupt, producing one of the most dangerous events in the universe, a short gamma ray burst. In just 2 seconds, it can outshine entire galaxies. Let's dive deeper into the mechanics of both phenomena. A kilonova's energy output is incredibly high, with some estimates suggesting it's comparable to the energy released by a supernova. When this energy interacts with the strong gravity of a black hole, the effects could be dramatic. The black hole's gravity could potentially disrupt the kilonova's explosion or even affect the trajectory of the ejected matter. On the other hand, the kilonova's energy could also have an impact on the black hole itself, potentially altering its mass or spin. Normally, kilonovas are cosmic factories of heavy metals. But if a black hole swallows the debris too quickly, much of that precious matter never escapes. Imagine entire solar masses of potential gold and platinum erased into nothingness. Recent research has shed some light on this interaction, suggesting that the merger of a kilonova with a black hole could produce some extraordinary effects. For example, the explosion could trigger a gamma ray burst, an incredibly powerful and energetic event that could be observed from vast distances. Other theories suggest that the interaction could produce heavy elements, such as gold or uranium, which are essential for the formation of planets and life as we know it. When neutron stars merge, they send ripples through space-time gravitational waves that observatories on Earth can detect. If a black hole forms, the signal suddenly cuts off as though the universe itself dropped the microphone. This sharp-end signature is one way scientists know a black hole was born. In summary, the interaction between a kilonova and a black hole is a mind-boggling event that continues to capture the imagination of scientists and space enthusiasts. The awe-inspiring nature of these cosmic events not only deepens our understanding of the universe, but also reminds us of how much there is still to discover. If a kilonova collapse happened in the Milky Way, the light would dazzle the night sky. For a short time, it might rival the moon in brightness. But the collapse into a black hole could fire gamma ray bursts at Earth. If we were in the path, the radiation would strip away our ozone and trigger a mass extinction. Thankfully, no known neutron star pairs close enough pose that risk. Each kilonova collapse is a glimpse into how the universe recycles itself. Black holes formed this way may seed galaxies, fuel quasars, or even shape the cosmic web. They're destructive. Yes, but also creative, rewriting the map of space and time itself. So what if a kilonova collapsed into a black hole? It would mean watching the universe transform in an instant, light giving way to darkness, creation swallowed by destruction. Yet, in that darkness, new structures are born. The end of stars becomes the beginning of something even stranger. The cosmos, forever recycling, forever evolving. If you're as fascinated by this topic as I am, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in exploring more astronomical phenomena, be sure to check out my next video where we dive into the mysteries of dark matter.